Droney time. Droney time. It says observation deck. We'll see what I see. We'll see what I observe. Yeah. We'll see. I don't really know what this observation deck observes. It's a nice area. Maybe it's a launch point for drones. You're mighty close, dude. It says National Wildlife Refuge. But there's nothing here besides a Canada goose. Oh my god, he like zoomed away. Alright, this place stinks. Well, not literally, it smells like honeysuckle.
So, what you're saying is that it's nothing. It's
yeah, dude. It's
nothing.
Freaking absolutely nothing. Peace. Coming home, it's raining. Yeah, it's pretty much raining. So no droning. Damn. Yeah, I don't know how to shoot.
Whoa, what?
Yeah.
Look at that.
I know! I was shooting it!